How to start playing GTA Vice City Definitive on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're on Android and wondering how to download the GTA Vice City Definitive Edition, then first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether you are using a smartphone or a tablet, and then open your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in GTA Vice City and search. Look for this application from Rockstar Games and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Now wait until the application installs on your device. It'll take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Now wait for the installation to finish, and once it is done, you can open the game from your app drawer or tap on the open button in the same Play Store. Download any additional game files if prompted, and you'll need to start the free trial or purchase the full game through the in-app purchase to unlock unlimited access. If you are a GTA Plus member, then sign in to access the game if it's included with your membership. So that's how you can easily download and install the GTA Vice City Definitive Edition on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.